Hey guys, in this video we are taking a look at the Pitaka Ultra Slim case for the Galaxy Z Fold 7 to see if it truly justifies its premium price tag. On the box, Pitaka claims the back cover weighs just 22.2 grams and measures only 1 millimeter thickness. That's a bold claim, especially considering it includes MagSafe support too. So in this video we're going to find out if it lives up to the hype. I've got the black/grey version here, and we're comparing it directly to Samsung first ever carbon case for the Z Fold 7, which I also have on hand. As I have mentioned before, the Samsung carbon case really feels lightweight, stylish, and it adds a bit of protection without any bulk. The only drawback is the lack of MagSafe support, and that's where Pitaka enters the scene, offering MagSafe functionality while aiming to keep things just as sleek. So with that being said, let's dive right in. First impressions, it looks great, and you can immediately feel how lightweight it is. It's made of Aramid fiber, known for being incredibly strong, lightweight, and resistant to wear, compared to Samsung carbon fiber case, which has a glossier and softer feel. The Pitaka case has a slightly more matte and opaque finish. It's not rough, but it does have a bit more texture, which could actually provide a better grip and more impact resistance. One thing that stands out right away is the large camera bump that I can see on Pitaka case. Compared to the Samsung one, it's much more pronounced. Samsung went with a more gradual slope to protect the camera lenses, like you can see, while Pitaka camera bump feels like a separate design piece altogether. Visually, the two cases are very similar, though I can't help but feel that the Samsung carbon cover looks ever so slightly thinner. Still, the Pitaka cover is slim too and definitely doesn't add any bulkiness. Now I would like to compare the feel of them. Samsung cover has a smoother, softer surface, while Pitaka add texture could give it an edge in gripness, and it's a little bit rough. Flipping to the inside, here is where the main difference lies. Samsung case doesn't include any adhesive strips for extra attachment. Not that it's strictly necessary, but Pitaka includes them anyway for added stability. And of course, Pitaka integrates a MagSafe ring, adding real functionality. In case you are not aware, carbon fiber is a conductive material, which can interfere with wireless charging or weaken MagSafe alignment. Pitaka case, on the other hand, uses Aramid fiber, which is non-conductive and doesn't interfere with wireless signals. And that makes it an ideal material for integrating MagSafe support without compromising performance. As for weight, Samsung case is around 13 grams. Pitaka cover came in between 21 to 22 grams in my taste, and that's even slightly lighter than their own claim, which is a nice surprise. Now here is a quick tip I would like to share. If you head over to PitaStudio website, you can download a matching wallpaper to pair with the case for a more unified vibe. It's a small detail, but a nice touch. They offer a solid collection, and they usually update it frequently with the new designs alongside their latest cases releases. Now let's install it for good and see how it fits. Now I have to say it looks amazing. It gives the jet black Fold 7 a clean, sophisticated vibe. It's slim, doesn't add any noticeable bulk. While it's not built for extreme protection, it should hold up just fine for everyday use, especially for back or side drops. The case has all the precise cutouts for buttons and ports, and MagSafe works flawlessly. I tested it with my Spigen Mag wallet, and it attaches perfectly. Now, by the way, this version is tailored for Galaxy vertical camera layout, unlike the iPhone version, so the magnetic ring aligns exactly without overlapping the lenses. Just a small note, but I wanted to mention it along the way in case you are looking for a good Mac wallet to combine with it. So alright guys, that was the Pitaka case for the Z Fold 7. In my opinion, it takes the best qualities of Samsung original carbon fiber case and improves on them, adding MagSafe, better gripness, and an overall premium feel without adding so much thickness. Hope this video helped you if you are looking for a premium case for your Fold 7. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.